guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to go through my nighttime skincare routine. So as of lately, I've been really working on my skin because I've never really had a good routine or like a good combination of products that has helped my skin clear up, stay moisturized. I feel like there was always like something I was giving up. So I think, or at least for right now, this is working for me. The one thing that I'm missing that I'm hoping you guys can give me a recommendation for is a toner. So I used to use witch hazel, but obviously we know TikTok, Serum, we don't do that. We don't use witch hazel. So now I am kind of looking for a new toner. So if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. I just want to reiterate that obviously this might not work for everybody and this isn't for everybody's skin. I have combination skin, so this tends to work for me, and again, some of these products might not work for you and some of these products might work for you. But anyway, let's get into the video. To start off, I use the simple micellar cleansing water to take off my makeup. I was not wearing makeup tonight, but for the sake of this video, I still use this because you never can be too clean, you know? Like, even if we're not wearing makeup, you know, air pollution, just being outside, definitely I feel like our pores can get very icky. So I always use a cotton pad and I very gently pat all over my face because we don't want to be too rough with the skin. So you don't want to rub, you don't want to like aggressively take anything off, which is why makeup wipes are actually so bad for your skin because it pulls and, you know, creates rips in your skin. So, especially when you're getting your eye makeup off, that stuff can be very difficult to get off sometimes. So, you know, you just want to kind of take the pad, put it on top of your eye, and let the micellar water break down your makeup. So just kind of keep it on there for 5 to 6 seconds and then, you know, gently, like, you know, rub it off. But try to dab, and, you know, you might even want to go in with a second cotton pad if you're wearing a lot of makeup, or even a third if you're wearing a lot of makeup, which is totally fine. So just be gentle and be generous with the micellar water because you want to break down all the makeup and get all of that stuff out of your face, because if anything stays, if we're not cleaning our face properly, that's when we're going to get the breakouts and all of that bad stuff that we don't really want. Second, I use this simple Kind to Skin refreshing facial wash to cleanse my skin. This is my skin cleanser. I usually use this in the shower. I really like it because it's fragrance free, very good for sensitive skin. I don't really have sensitive skin, but I still like that it's fragrance free because I put so many other things, like so many other layers on top of my face. I feel like having all of the smells can sometimes really like give me a headache before I'm going to bed. So I really like this one. What I do is I take a generous amount and then I take a little bit of water and I actually kind of rub it while it's still in my hand because I don't want to rub it in my face because, again, we want to be very gentle with the skin. So I rub it in my hands and I get, you know, I kind of get it all soapy, and then I put it on my face and gently rub like in circles, and you know, make tiny circles with your fingers, make bigger circles with all 4 of your fingers, and kind of go over the skin. Again, be gentle, be patient. This is like a good time. This is like, think of it as like, it is self-care for your skin, right? It is time for self-care. So, you know, take your time, be gentle, relax, give yourself a little massage. So that's what I do, and then I gently wash it off with some water. I like to use cold water. I gently just kind of, you know, rinse off my face and make sure everything is off. And then I go in with my face towel. So I have a face towel that I switch out frequently because if your face towel and your pillowcases aren't washed properly or aren't washed frequently, you know, that's when we could also get the dirt in our skin. That's also going to cause some pimples, so we don't want to do that. So I keep a face towel in my bathroom, and nobody else uses it, obviously. And I change it out like twice a week so that, you know, my face stays fresh and all of that good stuff. So I take this towel and I dab gently until I get all of the water off and my face is dry. Again, you want to be very gentle. I know I've said that a couple times, but just to reiterate that. And you know, dab all of the water off of your face, and then you're pretty much halfway through my skincare routine. Then once or twice a week. So I don't do this all the time because it is not recommended, and I actually didn't do this tonight, so you won't see it on my face, but basically this is a intensive peel. It's the First Aid Beauty intensive peel. What it does is kind of gives your face a thorough clean, make sure your pores are clean and all of that good stuff. The only thing with this, and I'd be very careful because this is kind of harsh. My boyfriend actually tried it with me that first day. I got it and his skin was like burning. He just didn't have a good reaction to it. So I really recommend patch testing it on your hand before you put it on your face. But I do this twice a week and I keep it on for a minute. The more and more you use it, the more tolerance your face will build up to it. But I do recommend doing some sort of peel, depending on how sensitive your skin is, you know, find the right one for you. But this is really, really good to my skin, and my skin, again, like I said before, is not super sensitive. So this works for me, and yeah, I really like it. So the intensive peel is like a mask, so it kind of looks like a charcoal mask, but you're supposed to put on a very thin, light layer, so it shouldn't be as thick as a charcoal mask. But after that sets in, so it's been on my face for say a minute, I rinse it off again, similar to my face wash, and then pat my face dry, and then I go in with my Pixie Overnight Glow Serum. So I recently just introduced this into my skincare routine, but I really, really like it because the consistency is very thick. So if you have oily skin, I'd be careful with this product just because it will definitely moisturize your skin, but it might make your skin a lot oilier. I really like it because my skin tends to kind of dry up throughout the night because obviously, you know, we're sleeping. I put it on, you know, at night, and then I wake up in the morning and my skin is still feeling very like rejuvenated, very refreshed. So that's why I really like this product, and I think it is because it is so thick that, you know, it stays on and penetrates your skin and kind of lasts throughout the night. The other thing is you really don't need too many drops. As you'll see in the video, it's literally 3 drops on my face, like, and it's good to go. It completely like moisturizes my whole face. So this is definitely highly recommend if you don't have oily skin. If you do have oily skin, I'd be careful with this one. Then for my eye cream, I use the Mario Badescu Glycolic Eye Cream, and I know Mario Badescu very, very controversial in the skincare world. Honestly, I am in the market for a new one, but I won't lie, this does keep my eyes like rejuvenated and moisturized throughout the night. It's very thick, and it does do an okay job. I don't know if it does the best job, but I really have a problem with like not finishing my products. Like I feel really guilty if I get something and I don't use it through. So I'm still using it because, you know, I haven't had a bad reaction to it. It's working for me. It's keeping my under eye hydrated and it's doing what it needs to do. So I don't mind it, but I am also in the product for a new eye cream. So I am open to suggestions, and I definitely am going to try out some new eye creams. So I'm excited to discover my new eye cream. And to finish it off, the cherry on top, the very loved, very popular right now, the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for normal to dry skin. This stuff is really, really good. I mean, like, this was $12 and this is huge. This is gonna last me for a while. My boyfriend and I both use it and it's still very full, and I've had it for a couple of months. So it's really great, and it's very gentle. Again, super fragrance free. I love that because I don't want to go to bed with like a bunch of smells on my face. I really don't like that. It's still lightweight but very moisturizing, so this is a highly recommend. Really love this one, and it's a value size, so you get a bang for your buck, which who can be mad about that? I thought I was done, but I'm not done because there's 2 more things that I do use. This is my Raw Sugar Lip Balm in lemon sugar, and honestly, so good. Like, this stuff is moisturizing, it's natural, it doesn't have a lot of fragrance, and you could feel like that it's also kind of exfoliating sometimes, but very like subtly. Like sometimes I've tried other lip balms that are also exfoliating that have really big chunks of like sugar or scrub in it to exfoliate, but this is like a very subtle exfoliant and it keeps my my lips super moisturized. So I really like the raw sugar lip balm. And finally, this time for real, finally, I end my nighttime skincare and my morning routine actually, but that's for a different video, with my jade roller. So I keep this in the fridge, and after my skincare routine is done, after I've applied my moisturizer, I go over my face with the jade roller. For this video, I did it in the bathroom right after I finished, but usually what I do is kind of like, I'll honestly like take this to bed and I'll like scroll on my phone or, you know, read a book, and I'll be like rolling my face just because like it's so therapeutic. Like it really calms me down before I go to bed, so I really like it. And keeping it cold in the fridge, that also really helps my skin. Like it just really like cools me down. These summer nights, it's been really humid, it's been really hot, so this really cools me down. And in the morning it does the opposite, it wakes me up. But honestly, really recommend a jade roller. I don't know how much it really does for your skin, but you know, I really think that's all in mind. But I will say that it's very relaxing, it's very calming, and very therapeutic. And that concludes my nighttime skincare routine. So like I said, I'm in the market for a new toner and a new eye cream. I'm open to suggestions and I'm willing to try anything, because, well, anything that is, you know, obviously not too rough on the skin and has good reviews. So please give me your recommendations. I would love to try them out. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you guys want to be notified next time I post, you can hit the bell icon. If you guys like videos like this, I will probably be doing a morning skincare routine as well. It's a little bit different, more tailored to the daytime. So if you guys want that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.